Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's a beautiful morning. I came home from my morning walk. After my morning walk, the first thing I would do is to drink a tea made of coriander seeds and cumin seeds in a ratio of 2 is to 1. This I usually take in an empty stomach. This would help in digestion and it is good for my gut health. For the breakfast, I have decided to make a pumpkin sabzi. For that, I have cut the pumpkins into small pieces and I'm washing it thoroughly. To make this, heat oil in a kadai, add mustard seeds, 7 to 8 garlic cloves crushed. You take one slice of onions, fry this a bit and add 3 to 4 chilies, green chilies slit in the center. I am making this for one whole pumpkin which is cut into small pieces. After the raw smell of the pumpkin goes, add in the dry masalas. I am adding chili powder, a bit of turmeric, salt according to your taste, and coconut powder 2 tablespoons. Coconut powder will give you that gravy like dish. If you don't have coconut powder, you can also use coconut paste. Just grind coconut and use it a little bit, at least 2 tablespoons of coconut paste. Mix well, close the. After 10 minutes of cooking in low flame, the pumpkin would be almost done. Check for the pumpkin, and when it is cooked well, add one sliced tomatoes along with coriander. Close the lid, cook for another 1 minute, and the pumpkin is done. It is always good to be eaten in the breakfast. When the breakfast is being cooked, I usually try to clean the house. I like to finish dusting and cleaning in between cooking so that it will save my time. The pumpkin tastes good with rice or rotis. Even dosas would be good with pumpkin. Today I am making chawal ki roti or rice rotis. This is made with leftover rice of the previous night. I make the rotis by just make the paste of the rice, mixing it with the rice flour and making small dumplings and rolling it out like chapatis. and then just heating it on the tawa. This would make for a perfect rice roti, which is eaten along with pumpkins. My family just finished the breakfast. It's time for me to have. I have one roti along with little bit of pumpkin sabzi. This is enough for my morning breakfast. Today I have decided to visit my friend, so I will be going out. Before that, I am making a small DIY hair dye. I have a detailed video of this in my channel. I will leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. This is the instant hair dye which I just want to apply on my hair. Me and my friend visited a painting mela which was going on in the city. I could not record much of it, but I just had this uh, people moving around, enjoying their evening out. So I just finished with a round of visiting a nearby restaurant, having a good pizza, having a little chat with my friend, and it was a beautiful day on the whole.